Keep it up and I'll take all your shit back.
What's the problem?
It's a piece of
Put the tape off both sides of that box, Ian.
I thought I was gonna get a Michael Jackson.
Still got
Oh,
what?
you still got some more gifts to
Two
open
over there.
from Santa Claus.
Yeah.
Can you get the tape off? Pepe, help him.
No, it's just he's impatient. Here.
Ian.
Get over here.
Oh.
Get over here.
Get him a toy.
What toy?
The prince.
How do you know?
Where are you?
What are they saying there?
What? There's
Let's see something from Mommy in the tree.
to Justin.
No.
This one's
That
to
one's to Justin.
Set it right there.
Ian, get away. Get
Come
out.
on, Ian.
Get out.
Seriously?
I couldn't see